Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am your English teacher and this is your video lesson number 4. In this video you will learn about preposition, genders, use of this and that, use of these and those, opposites and professions. Now let's start prepositions. A preposition often tells us the position of something. A preposition often tells us the position of something. For example, in, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, and between. Students, in this picture, these words are telling us the position of ball. So, these words are preposition. In, on, under, next to, behind, in front of, between. These are prepositions. Now let's start exercise. Fill in the blanks by using prepositions given in the box. First one is the lizard was dash the rock. We will write here near. The lizard was near the rock. Next one is the lizard was dash the rock. We will write here on. The lizard was on the rock. Next one is the lizard fell dash the pond. We can see that the lizard fell into the pond. So we will write here into. The lizard fell into the pond. Last one is the lizard dug dash the rock. We will write here under. The lizard dug under the rock. Now do practice of page number 16, 18, 19 and 20. Now let's start masculine and feminine. Masculine. It is used to show the male gender. Masculine is used to show the male gender as man, boy. Feminine. It is used to show the female gender as woman, girl. Masculine is used to show the male gender and feminine is used to show the female gender. Now let's start its exercise. Fill in the blanks by using masculine or feminine like girl and boy. First one is dash and hen. We will write here masculine of hen, that is cook. Cook and hen. Next one is dog and dash. We will write here feminine of dog. Dog and bitch. Lion and dash. We will write here lioness. Lion and lioness. Next one is cow and dash. We will write here bull. Next one is horse and dash. We will write here mare. Last one is dash and tiger. We will write here tigress. Tigress and tiger. Now do practice of page number 42, 43, 44 and 52. Now let's start use of this, that, these and those. Use of this and that. This. It tells that the object is close to the speaker. It tells that the object is close to the speaker. That. It tells that the object is far from the speaker. It tells that the object is far from the speaker. For example, in this picture, the apple is close to the speaker. So, we will write here this. This is an apple. And in this picture, the apple is far from the speaker. So, we will write here that. That is an apple. Now let's start its practice. Complete these sentences with this and that. Dash is a rabbit. We can see that the rabbit is far from the speaker. So we will write here that. That is a rabbit. Next one is dash is a cat. We can see that cat is close to the speaker. So we will write here this. Next one is dash is a dog. We can see that dog is close to the speaker. So we will write here this. Next one is dash is a horse. We can see that horse is far from the speaker. So we will write here that. Next one is dash is a snake. Snake is also far from the speaker. So we will write here that. That is a snake. Now we are going to discuss about these and those. Use of these and those. These. These is used where the objects are near and more than one. And those is used when the objects are far and more than one. For example, in this picture, there are more than one apple, and apples are near the speaker. So we will write here, these are apples. And in this picture, apples are far from the speaker, and there are also more than one apple. So we will write here, those are apples. Now let's start its practice. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using these or those. Dash are birds. You can see that the birds are near the speaker. So we will write here, these are birds. Next one is dash are cars. We can see that cars are far from the speaker and there is more than one car. So we will write here those. Next one is dash are caps. Caps are close to the speaker. So we will write here these. Next one is dash are breads. Breads are far from the speaker. So we will write here those. Those are breads. Last one is dash are grapes. Grapes are also far from the speaker. So we will write here those. Those are grapes. Now do practice of page number 45, 46, 54, 55 and 56. Now we are going to start opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are words whose meanings are as different as possible from each other. Opposites are words whose meanings are as different as possible from each other. For example, big, small, big, small, up, down, happy, sad. Now let's start its exercise. Students, we will write the opposites of these words. Complete the following by putting the missing letters. We will write here missing letters. Fast, slow. We will write here the spelling of slow. S-L-O-W. Slow. Next one is wrong. The opposite of wrong is right. We will write the missing letter of right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Next one is hard. The opposite of hard is soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. Next one is sweet. The opposite of sweet is sour. S-O-U-R. Sour. Next one is slowly. The opposite of slowly is quickly. Q-U-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. quickly. 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 Next one is white. The opposite of white is black. 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 Next one is cold. The opposite of cold is hot. Hot. Last one is new, and the opposite of new is old. Old. Now do practice of page number 62 and 64. Now we are going to start professions. Do you know what is profession? The work a person does to earn a living is called profession. The work a person does to earn a living is called profession. Like cook, cross guard, doctor. Students, we have a lot of professions like teacher, painter, engineer, businessman, policeman, painter, postman, driver, etc. We have a lot of professions. Now let's start its exercise. Fill in the blanks. Dash teach the students. We know that teacher teaches the students. So we will write here teacher. Next one is dash flies the aeroplane. We know that pilot flies the aeroplane. So we will write here pilot. Next one is dash defends the country. We know that soldiers defends the country. So we will write here soldiers. Next one is dash builds the building. We know that mason builds the building. So we will write here mason. Next one is dash cooks food. We know that cook cooks food. So we will write here cook. Next one is dash delivers the letters and parcels. We know that postman delivers the letters and parcels. So we will write here postman. Last one is dash examines the patients. We know that doctor examines the patients. So we will write here doctor. Now do practice of page number 67 and 69. Students, replay this video if you find any difficulty. Thank you.